Welcome to back AutoNation Hub. Honda has finally done it. After years of waiting and countless rumors, the legendary NSR is back. The 2026 Honda NSR V3 has officially been launched, bringing back one of the most iconic names in motorcycle history. This machine is designed to mix nostalgia with modern-day technology, making it one of the most exciting sport bikes of the decade. Design and styling. The new NSR V3 carries forward the aggressive, sharp, and aerodynamic styling that made the NSR series famous. Its fairings are sharper, the stance is sportier, and it comes with futuristic LED lighting all around. Honda has managed to capture the soul of the old NSR while giving it a modern makeover that looks like it belongs to the future. Engine and performance. Under the bodywork, Honda has equipped the NSR V3 with a brand new liquid-cooled engine. While Honda has not gone back to the classic two-stroke, the new engine is tuned to deliver thrilling top-end power and smooth acceleration. Riders can expect a perfect balance of speed, agility, and reliability. Honda claims this engine gives performance that will excite both old-school fans and new riders. Technology and features. The 2026 NSR V3 is packed with the latest technology. It features ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, advanced traction control, and cornering ABS for maximum safety. A fully digital TFT display provides all the information you need, including smartphone connectivity for navigation and music. Suspension and braking components are upgraded to race-inspired levels, making the NSR V3 ready for both road and track. Legacy and impact. The return of the NSR is more than just a new bike launch, it's a celebration of Honda's racing heritage. Fans around the world have been asking for this motorcycle, and Honda has delivered a modern legend. The 2026 Honda NSR V3 is not only a tribute to the past but also a bold step into the future of sport bikes. Conclusion. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and advanced features, the 2026 Honda NSR V3 is finally here to reclaim its throne. For enthusiasts, this is more than just a motorcycle, it's the return of an icon. The legend lives again,